welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you viewers how to change this beautiful wig. This wig actually looks pretty dry. You see the texture of the hair? That is curly hair, and this is our raw Vietnamese curly hair from the company The Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and it's the best place to buy raw hair extensions because you will be given quality for the money. So as you can see, this hair is dry, it's frizzy, it's everything, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to show you viewers how to change your old wig, your old curly wig, your old straight wig, or even wavy wigs. I'm going to teach you viewers how to basically transform it from this look to a very beautiful, gorgeous, healthy, moisturized look. So if you are interested, stay tuned to this video. In this video there'll be no talking. This is the most amount of talking I'll be doing. I'll be demonstrating. I'll be using Tresemme conditioner and shampoo plus silicone mix, and these are the three main products. I'll be using Tresemme Color Revitalize Neutral Oil and UV Filter Vibrant Color Protection Shampoo, and I'll also be using my Tresemme Smooth and Silky with Silk Protein and Argan Oil Salon Silk for dry and frizz prone hair. And as you all can see, this wig is dry and frizz prone, guys. This wig is dry and frizz prone. So I'll be teaching you viewers today how to change this from this look into a very healthy looking curly wig. So to basically change your matted wigs that you've had for years into a beautiful bouncy curly. So this hair is Vietnamese curly hair, and this hair is slightly tighter than the Laotian curly hair that I've shown on this platform. This hair will dry into a very beautiful, unique look. And now let's just allow this curl to settle down and basically dry. See you, viewers. Coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, Article20. I'll see you viewers in my next video. Stay blessed and check the description box.